Are you struggling to see significant hair growth due to not being able to retain the length of your hair? Is your hair constantly dry and you're having a hard time keeping it moisturized? Do you suffer with an itchy or irritable scalp? And are you tired of using products that contain ingredients that you don't even know what they are and what issues they may be causing? Do you constantly feel the need to wear wigs, weaves, and extensions because the health of your hair is not where you would like it to be? I can relate to every last one of those issues. You see, I struggled to achieve healthy hair and scalp for years, and after countless setbacks, many trials and errors, and years of research, I finally found the solution, and that was to eliminate all synthetic toxic ingredients completely from out of my hair care regimen. Once I did this, my hair and scalp began to flourish. So I decided that I wanted to share all what I have learned with you in order for you to achieve the same. And that's when I decided to create a completely free informational 5-part YouTube video series based off of everything I have learned and experienced. Within this series, you will learn how to build your very own holistic hair care regimen tailored uniquely to your own hair and scalp needs. You will learn how to know what works best for your hair and scalp, how to effectively track and monitor your progress, and you will learn the benefits of every single ingredient that is going to help you to achieve results. We're going to take things step by step so that by week 5, not only will you have a structured plan in place and the recipes to the products that are going to enable you to reach your healthy hair goals, but more importantly, you will have the knowledge that you are able to pass on to your children, your friends and family for generations to come. Let's say goodbye to toxic hair care practices and welcome non-toxic, healthy, holistic hair and scalp health. I am proof that holistic hair care practices work. It's time to take your own hair health into your own hands because natural hair deserves natural care. Let's get into the video. Hello lovely, I hope you are well. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out my video. I have decided to create a 5-part YouTube video series that's going to enable you to build your very own natural, healthy hair care regimen. I want to help as many women as possible to get rid of those toxic ridden products and replace them for a more natural solution. For nearly 2 years now, I have not used any of these store-bought products on my hair, and as you can see, my hair is not lacking, my hair is thriving because of it. So I really want to help you to achieve the same. I care about my community, okay? This is the reason why I'm here. This is the reason why I create this type of content. And I know for a fact, because I have proven this on my channel, that we don't need these hair products in order for our hair to be healthy, for it to flourish, for it to thrive. So if you are somebody who is looking to go down a more natural and holistic path, and you are sick and tired of giving your money to manufacturers who do not care for the health of your hair and your health overall, if you're tired of it, sis, please consider watching this 5-part series and building your very own holistic hair care regimen. So let me get into what you can expect from each of the 5 episodes. Okay, so for episode 1, we're going to be talking about your hot oil treatments. I don't want to see you rolling your eyes, babe, because I know that some of you are going to be like, nah, that's long. Having to do a hot oil treatment on my hair every time I wash it. Babe, you have to do it. This is going to really help you with moisture retention, okay? This is going to help you to retain your length because your hair is going to stay moisturized. I would really recommend that you do this on a weekly basis if you really want to maximize your results. But yeah, episode 1, we're going to be breaking that down. By the end of that episode, you're going to have a few recipes in your arsenal in place so that you can start doing your hot oil treatment so that you are able to retain moisture, so you are able to really improve the integrity of your hair strands and retain length. So make sure you are tuned in next week to episode 1. In episode 2, we are going to be talking about cleansing because that's the next step. I obviously only use 100% natural ingredients on my hair, so I'm going to share what I use consistently to cleanse my hair effectively. Okay, so I'm going to be giving you a recipe, but if you are someone that just doesn't have the time, and I understand that, then I'm also going to give you some amazing recommendations so that you can get the amazing benefits of cleansing your hair using only natural ingredients. So that is what we're going to cover in episode 2. Episode 3 is going to be all about conditioning. So we've done our hot oil treatment, we've cleansed our hair using all natural ingredients. I'm going to show you a tutorial of an extremely effective conditioner that's going to strengthen and moisture your hair at the same time. It's quick, it's easy to do, and you're going to notice some significant results from doing it on a consistent basis. So that's what we're going to cover in episode 3. Moving on to episode 4, this is going to be my favorite week, I think. This one is all about hydration. Now, I have so many different recipes for hydrating sprays. Hydration is one of the most important steps, okay? So after you have washed your hair, it's all clean, it's ready for the lock method. This is where I got you covered, babe. I have so many different recipes, as I said, to enable you to not only hydrate your hair on wash day, but also every couple of days during the week as well. So we're going to be talking about the benefits of strengthening sprays, moisturizing sprays, sprays that help you to reduce shedding. We're really going in on the hydration because it plays such a significant role in the health of your scalp and your hair. So that's what we're going to be talking about in episode 4. And of course, I'm going to be showing you some tutorials as well, because I've got you, sis. I can't just be chatting. I've actually got to show you how to make them and how to use them as well. So I'm really looking forward to episode 4. Now, episode 5 is going to be all about the lock method, but not just the lock method and how to replace your formulated conventional moisturizing product. It's not just about that, even though I will be giving you some replacement ideas, but it's also about scalp health as well, because after we've washed and conditioned our hair, this is the time when we want to go in with a product that's going to really help your scalp. Your scalp is the foundation. This is where we're going to be able to grow strong, healthy hair. We're going to be able to reduce shedding. It all starts at the scalp. The hair is the byproduct, okay? So we're going to really focus on the scalp, and then we're also going to be talking about how to effectively lock in all of that hydration into your hair strands, of course, using only natural ingredients. So by the end of the 5th episode, you're going to have a recipe for your hot oil treatments, numerous recipes. You're also going to have a recipe to be able to cleanse your hair, to condition your hair effectively, to hydrate your hair and your scalp effectively, and to lock in all of that hydration and moisture. You will no longer be using synthetic, fake, toxic ridden products on your hair and on your scalp. Everything you will be using going forward will all be natural, holistic, and ingredients from nature. These are going to benefit you massively, and if you use them consistently, you're going to see amazing results. Everything you need will be given to you in this 5-part series in order for you to build your regimen. If you have already checked out my video where I show you the results of my 6-month hair challenge, obviously this was the regimen that I used, okay? This is the regimen that I used, and I'm going to be going on another 6-month hair challenge. And if you want to follow me on that challenge and you want to take part in it, which will be later on in the year, for 6 months, you're going to want to have your regimen, your holistic healthy hair care regimen in place. So this is why it's important for you to tune into the series and then join in to the 6-month hair challenge. Let's start building that natural healthy hair care regimen by watching episode 1. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you there. Take care.